Malinki, welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about Krebs Cycle. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So the enzymes of Krebs cycles are located in mitochondria. But pyruvate, which is the end product of glycolysis, is located in cytosol. Therefore, pyruvate requires to enter mitochondria from cytosol in order to continue Krebs cycle. Pyruvate crosses the mitochondrial membrane and converts into acetyl-CoA by the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase. In this reaction, a CO2 molecule is removed and a NADH is generated. Acetyl-CoA enters citric acid cycle. Acetyl-CoA is condensed with oxaloacetate to form citrate by the enzyme citrate synthase. So, acetyl-CoA is 2-carbon compound and the oxaloacetate is 4-carbon compound, and both of them accumulate to form citrate, that is 6-carbon compound. As citric acid or citrate is the first carbon compound formed in this cycle, Krebs cycle is also called as citric acid cycle. Aconitase enzyme converts citrate to cis-aconitate. Both are 6-carbon compounds. The same enzyme, that is aconitase, converts cis-aconitate to isocitrate. Isocitrate dehydrogenase enzyme converts isocitrate to oxalosuccinate. In this step, NADH generation occurs, and all of them are 6-carbon compounds. The same enzyme, that is isocitrate dehydrogenase, converts oxalosuccinate to alpha-ketoglutarate. Liberation of CO2 occurs in this step. Oxalosuccinate is a 6-carbon compound. Now, as one molecule of CO2 is liberated, the resultant alpha-ketoglutarate is a 5-carbon compound. Alpha-ketoglutarate is converted to succinyl-CoA by the enzyme alpha-ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. At this stage of Krebs cycle, second NADH is produced and the second CO2 is liberated. So here alpha-ketoglutarate is a 5-carbon compound. As one molecule of CO2 is liberated, the resultant product is succinyl-CoA, that is 4-carbon compound. Succinate thiokinase enzyme converts succinyl-CoA to succinate. This reaction is coupled with the phosphorylation of GDP to GTP. This is a substrate level phosphorylation. Succinate dehydrogenase enzyme converts succinate to fumarate. This reaction results in the formation of FADH2. The enzyme fumarase converts fumarate to malate. So all of them are 4-carbon compounds. Malate is then converted to oxaloacetate by the enzyme malate dehydrogenase. The third and final synthesis of NADH occurs in this stage. The oxaloacetate regenerated and it combines with another molecule of acetyl-CoA and continues this cycle. Energetics of Krebs cycle. During conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA, one molecule of NADH is generated. As one molecule of glucose generates 2 2 molecules of pyruvate, so 2 molecules of NADH are generated here. In one round of Krebs cycle, total 3 molecules of NADH, 1 molecule of GTP and 1 molecule of FADH2 are generated. Again, as 1 molecule of glucose generates 2 molecules of pyruvate, the reaction occurs twice. Hence, 6 molecules of NADH, 2 molecules of GTP and 2 molecules of FADH2 are generated here.